What's going on, guys? Hayden here as always, and today I'm going to be pulling this 6.0 out of this Tahoe or whatever the hell this thing is. I can't remember exactly what it is. I have quite a bit of it already off. I got the intake manifold off. I got some radiator hoses out of the way. I got the exhaust manifold bolts off. One of these is stripped out, so I might have to undo the 2-bolt flange underneath there where the exhaust actually connects to it. So I gotta get under there and do that real quick. Just wanted to show this because this is going to be a new build for the channel. So it's a really good friend of mine. It's actually my girlfriend's dad's car slash brother's car, if that makes sense. We're gonna be doing a 6.0 swap in this, I believe it's like a 1960 Ford Falcon. It's red, it's all painted up. It's gonna be a 6.0, it's gonna have the Holley setup like mine, the dash, the harness, everything, the Holley horsepower, turbo 400, obviously, trans brake, etc., etc. Not sure if we're gonna turbo that right away or what we're gonna do. Maybe get a single turbo setup on that real quick and do like a really simple like stock headers, put some V-bands on them and make it a real simple clean setup. But anyways, film taking this motor out. I did get a couple things for the RX-7, so still just waiting over here, just chilling, all torn apart still, looking all sad and whatnot. Just been super busy, guys. Hopefully you guys understand. Super busy with manifolds and whatnot and custom work that comes in. So the next big thing for the channel though will be, we're not doing the BMW anymore. We are gonna be doing this LS swap in this Falcon, and then after the Falcon is done, or maybe like midway between the Falcon, if I have some downtime, I'll be shortening the rear end and getting my rear end all done up for the RX-7. So either way, once the Falcon is done, which should be some pretty cool videos for you guys, and it'll actually probably make power before mine does, which does kind of suck, but at least you guys have some type of videos to watch. But once that is done, once that car is done, once I finish that one, which hopefully doesn't take me too long, I'll be finishing up the RX-7 and getting it ready for the beginning of the season. We got a couple of grudge races, you know what I'm saying. We gotta gap some motherfuckers. But anyways, I'll just kind of put in some time lapse of pulling it out. Like I said, I don't have much left. I just thought I'd film something for you guys since you guys always want me to film, and I need to get better about it because there really is no excuse to not just film what I'm doing. I mean, besides manifold work, it's a little weird because it's just non-stop manifold videos. It would be kind of goofy. So anyways, roll some clips of just some time-lapse stuff. Also, I did forget, this is Wyatt's Civic. I'm not gonna show you guys a setup on it. I will be doing a video on this. I gotta make something for it, of course. So, hope you guys are excited about that. This thing will be done here pretty quick. He is in Florida right now, taking some vacation. Lucky ass guy. Making some fab stuff for that. So, I know a lot of you guys were interested in his Integra, and he's been building this for a while. And I don't know, I think it's gonna be pretty wild. It's very clean, really clean setup, way cleaner than the DA. And I think you guys would be pretty excited about it once I show you guys what's all done to it. If you guys are subscribed to his channel, you probably already know somewhat, but I don't really think he's made any videos of it, and he said he didn't film any of it, so he said I had free range to kind of show you guys whatever I wanted to. So be looking out for that also. So as you can see, I didn't really film too much of pulling that motor out because I was so frustrated with it and just trying to get it out. It's kind of stupid, but I did try to pull it out with the converter bolt still in, so I was just gonna pull the whole thing out with the converter. There wasn't enough room to do that, so I ended up having to take the converter bolt out, and one of them was stripped. And so it was a pain in the ass to get out, and I got really frustrated and didn't film any of it. But I did get it out. As you can see, it is out. Going to be ordering some head studs for it, springs, retainers. Might do some cheap eBay head studs just because people have had some pretty good luck with them. I know some people even use the stock ones with just nice gaskets, and they work pretty good. So we're getting some studs, some springs, retainers, and that's it. I think we're just gonna let it eat, and upon further review, figured out that's not a 6.0. If I did mention it earlier, I thought it was a 6.0. I was told it was a 6.0 from the dude that had that Tahoe or whatever the hell that thing is out there, Yukon, whatever that is. They told us it was a 6.0. It had like the Vortex 6000 little plastic cover thing on it, which somebody obviously must have bought or gotten and just put it on there. And it really wasn't a Vortex 6000. It was the 5300, so it was the 5.3. It is an L59, so it is technically not an LS motor, but it is an L59. Really short video for you guys. I'll be making some videos on doing the gaskets, the studs, and the springs and retainers on this. Very simple. We'll do that same video. I'll do cleaning it all up, clean the block up, because as you can see real quick, it is very dirty. Some leaves that got inside the port. It's this cathedral port, obviously, but I'll be taking the heads off, cleaning them all up. Just a lot of grime on it. Might be using the stock flex plate again. Headers will be obviously different. This fan will be coming off. You know, I'll do a video of cleaning it all up, getting it all ready. Just a short little video, update video, kind of letting you guys know where I've been, what's going on. I actually have, so later today I will be going down south to visit my tuner. Have a pretty cool surprise for you guys that I think you guys will like. He's getting into the Honda game again, so he will have, it's actually kind of funny, so his wife will be driving this Honda and be gapping some fools in it. So it should make for an interesting video, just picking the car up and hanging out with him. So as always guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this short little video of, I mean, kind of nonsense, just updates. But stay tuned, have some pretty cool stuff coming very soon. See you guys.